Welcome to 2890 Rock Dove, the beautiful viewing spot here in Kingfisher Canyon. 2,468 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Welcome home. $28.90 Rock Dove offers a large open concept living floor plan. With 12-foot ceilings, crown molding, and recessed blinds, this house is perfect. The detail in this beautiful home was outstanding. You can see a great microwave drawer, large wolf oven, 6-burner cooktop, custom vent hood, and gazes out to Squire Canyon. Picture perfect is the only way to describe this amazing view corridor from 2890 Rock Dove. While you're sitting here with your dual basin sink, cleaning up after a long day, you get a watch over the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Stairs will no longer be an issue. Welcome to the master suite. This master suite was engineered and designed with every detail paid attention to. Watch this. Recessed power blinds allow you to create a pure dark resting environment, or open up all these blinds to capture views, light, and nature. This house is finished off with a large soaking tub, walk-in shower, sitting ledge, and backs into the open space for pure privacy and ambiance. Thanks for visiting my virtual tour. Please contact your local real estate agent today to come and visit this beautiful house in Kingfisher Canyon, Avila Beach.